Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make one of my summer favorites. It's a tangy cucumber salad. You're going to need 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, some thinly sliced cucumbers. Since it's only my husband and I used 1 cucumber, but if your family is larger, you may need 2 or 3. You're going to follow with 2 tablespoons of sugar, some finely chopped chives, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and pepper to taste. What do I mean by pepper to taste? It means I usually give the pepper mill a few twists. So, let's get started. First thing that I'm going to do is make the salad dressing. I'm making the salad dressing first so that it has time to chill for a little while in the fridge before I dump it on my cucumbers. In a mixing bowl, I'm adding the apple cider vinegar followed by the sugar. I'm going to whisk the vinegar and sugar together to help the sugar dissolve into the vinegar. Then I'm going to add the olive oil, salt, and finally pepper. After you've done this, set this inside your fridge while you slice the cucumber. I used a mandolin to slice the cucumbers. A mandolin is great because it makes slicing veggies quick and easy. However, if you're going to use one, please be careful. I've started wearing a veggie glove because 4 summers ago, I was careless while slicing and sliced off a piece of my little finger. It was extraordinarily painful. The veggie glove is marketed as cut resistant, and I never used the mandolin without wearing one. After you've sliced all of your cucumbers, take the dressing from the fridge, give it a good whisk to combine all the ingredients, and then dump over the cucumbers. Add your finely chopped chives. Give a little mix with the spoon, and then cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. I sometimes make these the day before because honestly, the longer the cucumbers have to sit in the dressing, the more flavorful they will be.